As you can see guys sa video ko, isa na lang yung lampeye fish na natira sa tank ko. Because last night we had a power outage in our area and it was like 5 to 6 hours with no power. I think that's the reason why my fish jumped out the window. Sorry, jump out the tank. Yun lang, nakakasad. So yung plan ko dito talaga, I think lalagyan ko to ng cover lid yung tank ko para hindi na sila ma-accident sa future. So ngayon hindi ko pa siya na-set up ng ganyan. I think yan yung mga plan ko dito sa tank na to. Suggestion ko lang kung bago pa kayo sa pag fish keeping, I think you need to prepare a cover lid sa tank nyo so that there will be no accidents na ma-happen sa tank nyo. And also I think it depends on the fish. So you need to search talaga kung ano ba yung gusto na fish nyo, kung possible ba siya na mag-jump sa tank nyo or hindi. So I think yan yung dapat yung alamin din. So yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share yung nangyari sa tank ko. A lot of fish died lately. Out of, it was like maybe 10 lampeye fish that I had, only one left. So it's really sad. I'm not sure yung lampeye is para sa akin. Hindi na malas siguro ako. Pero gusto ko talaga yung lampeye eh. Ano na siya, parang chill lang na fish. Hindi siya nag-hunt ng mga shrimp, kaya gusto ko siya. And I also like his cool eyes, kaya chill lang. Hindi siya gaano ka-colorful. Yep, I think that's all my video about. See you in the next one. Peace. Okay, see you next time.